Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the slow Wi-Fi on this device. Simply go to settings, tap on connections, tap on Wi-Fi. First of all, you need to forget the connected network. Here you can see I already connected to one Wi-Fi network. So here I am going to forget this one. For this, tap on the option settings. Here you can see the option forgot. Now you can see we successfully forgot from this device. And after this one, you need to restart your router or the hotspot, and again you need to reconnect to Wi-Fi. Now I am going to again reconnect, then select your Wi-Fi router name and enter the password. It is connected. So this quick settings fixes can instantly improve your Wi-Fi speed also. So simply in this way we can fix the slow Wi-Fi on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.